Hello and welcome to traders and investors, and I'm glad to present you the daily market review prepared by analysts and experts from fx.co portal. Here we go. And we're starting with the euro-dollar pair with Paulo Greco. The average volatility of the EURUSD currency pair over the last 5 trading days is 61 pips, which is considered as moderate. Today, June 30, we expect the pair to move between 1365 and 1487 on Tuesday. The upper channel of the linear regression has turned downward, indicating the continuation of the downward trend. The CCI technical indicator has entered the oversold area and has already formed 2 bullish divergences, warning again of a possible end to the downward trend. The EURUSD pair maintains a downward trend, presumably a correction with a broader upward trend, as is clearly seen on the daily or weekly time frame. The global fundamental backdrop for the dollar remains negative, but in 2026 it was first geopolitical factors that the Fed's hawkish stance that provided strong support for the US currency. When the price is below the moving average line, it's a sign line on the graphic. Short positions can be considered with targets at 1.1353 and 12.92. Long positions above the moving average line remain relevant with targets at 1.1536 and 1577 and 1597. Bears are currently exceptionally strong for no apparent reason. Gold, sweet gold. We've got a trading plan for these commodity asset presented by Dimitrios Tsipras. Gold is trading around 39.65. At a downward pressure after starting the week with a drop below the 2-8 mirror level. Technically, gold could continue to fall in the coming days until it reaches the lower bound of the downtrend channel, around 37.90. It could even reach the 0.8 mirror level, around 37.50. This decline in gold has brought prices to levels last seen in November 2025. Consolidation is likely to occur in the coming days around 37.50 and below 40.62. If gold recovers to the psychologically important 4,000 USD level and consolidates above 40.62, the outlook could turn positive, potentially leading to a recovery toward the 21 SMA at 41.66 and eventually reaching the 3.8 mirror level at around 42.18. A decisive break above 42.18 could be a positive signal for gold, potentially driving it toward the 200 EMA, around 44.18. Our outlook for gold is positive in the coming days, as it has technically reached oversold levels, so the odds are for a technical rebound above the low at about 39.42. Gold has a key support level around 39.06. However, this 1.8 mirror zone is a very weak level, so every time it reaches this zone, bearish pressure could prevail and push prices down to 37.90. That's all for today. See you online soon.